Hello. This lecture is about research paper structure. We're going to talk a little bit today about how to put your research paper together in terms of how it's arranged. This paper should be similar to what you've learned in 1301. The essay you probably learned was the 5-paragraph or 5-section thesis essay, where you have the introduction first, 3 subtopic paragraphs or sections, and a closing. Now, in your essays for 1301, you were probably doing somewhere between 500 to 800 words, so you could have gotten away with 5 separate paragraphs. You may have had 1 or 2 paragraphs per subtopic. Well, the research paper, of course, is a longer paper, and therefore you may have multiple paragraphs for each section. So, for example, for an 1,800-word essay, you would have probably 1 or 2 introductory paragraphs, 2 or 3 paragraphs per subtopic, and then 1 paragraph, maybe 2 paragraphs for your conclusion. So you would probably end up with a paper that's anywhere between 6, 8, 9 paragraphs, between 9 paragraphs and up. Now, in the introduction of your research paper, you need the following elements. You need the introduction. In the introduction, you need the hook, which is a story, purpose-setting question, startling statistic, a joke, though jokes you don't want to use too often, an anecdote. Then you're going to have your thesis statement. Then you're going to have a preview of your subtopics, which your preview is just a sentence listing your subtopics, and then your conclusion to your paragraph, which is typically a transition into your subtopics. Then you're going to have your 3 subtopics. Now, each subtopic, you're going to start off with the topic sentence, listing the topic of this, the main point of that subtopic. And then you're going to extend and support that subtopic. And then in your conclusion, you're going to take your introduction and reverse it a little bit. You're going to first revisit your topic or your thesis, revisit your subtopics or review your subtopics, and revisit your hook. Okay. Now, what I would suggest you do is look at models of research papers online, and the best place to look for this, I think, is Purdue's OWL website. Now, if you will Google the word OWL, O-W-L, and then also in the same search, write the word Purdue, P-U-R-D-U-E, the university, you'll be brought to their online writing labs website, and on that you will find examples of your research paper, and we'll talk more about OWL's website when we come to citation format.